Arthur jumps into fourth. Arthur and DW were finishing their breakfast. "I have a job for you today," Arthur said. "That I want you to rake leaves in the backyard." "Wouldn't today be a good time for DW to run to rake?" Arthur asked. They shook his head. "DW will be helping me with other things." Arthur looked up at the empty tree. "This is all your fault," he said. Then he started to rake. The leaves seemed to be sticking to the ground. Arthur raked harder. Pretty soon he had made a little pile of leaves. "What do you think, Paul?" he asked. Paul took a sniff. Then he picked up a leaf in his mouth and added it to the pile. Arthur kept making. The pile got a little bigger. "This is a lot of work," he said to Paul. "Maybe we should take a break." Arthur and Paul jumped in the pile of leaves. Then they jumped again and again. Pretty soon the leaves were scattered all over the yard again. "Arthur, what are you doing?" asked Francine. She worked up with Buster and the brain. "I'm making sure, Arthur, you are not doing a very good job," said the brain. "It's a question of applying force properly. Here, let me show you." The brain started working. "See how I bend my elbows?" she said. "I do," said Arthur. "Show me more." Now Francine took a turn. "This isn't so hard," she said. "All it takes is organization and muscle power." "Wow," said Buster. "This could be the biggest pile of leaves in the country, or maybe the whole world." Finally, all the leaves were collected. "This is the brain. That's how it's done." Arthur knew that. "Thanks, everything is perfect. Just perfect."